You clicked on this video because you're looking to send over 10,000 cold emails per day to generate more leads, more booked calls, and more closed deals for your business. But you aren't looking to break the bank by spending over $7.20 for Google or Outlook accounts. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact platform we use that lets us send over 10,000 cold emails per day for just under $300 per month. All right, so with that being said, let's jump into it. So overall, say goodbye to spending $7.20 per account from Google or Outlook forever, right? Now, the overall problem with cold email, whether this be cold email accounts or just cold email in general, is that it gets very expensive, right? And if you're looking to win with cold email and generate a sufficient amount of booked calls and qualified, appointments, all that kind of stuff, is that you need to be sending heavy volume, right? So for our clients internally, right, we're sending anywhere between 100 to 300,000, even more cold emails per month, right? And this isn't spam outreach; these are personalized emails, and every single one is personalized to the person we're sending. It's just we send at such heavy volume, and that's what equals a very high and consistent amount of qualified bookings on us and our clients' calendars. Okay. Now, if you're looking to do this and have the system for yourself, right, get ready to spend anywhere between $720 or even more, $1,400 per month for just email accounts. It gets very expensive if you purchase from directly from Google or Outlook, right? And not to mention, the other costs associated with cold email, like, $500 to $1,000 upfront for .com domains, data verification, platform usage, sending tool. There's a lot that goes into it. You'll be spending, anywhere between $3,000 to $4,000 per month just to have a sufficient and consistent cold email system live. Again, it could be a lot cheaper, but you just won't get the best results, right? And again, when you do this yourself, you're going to spend hours, if not days, configuring DNS records, right? With SPF records, DKIM records, all that kind of stuff, DMARC, whatever. You're going to spend hours, if not days, creating cold email accounts, right? Getting everything set up with Google or Outlook, right? It's extremely, extremely labor intensive, right? And the last thing, which is the most important thing, is that your deliverability absolutely gets killed. When you set this up yourself, it's very easy to miss one or two things, which just kills everything, right? Especially when you're attaching two email accounts for every one domain. You mess up one domain, two email accounts gets burned. That happens consistently. Your deliverability gets ruined, right? So just overall, not a good way to do this. Again, it costs a lot. It takes a lot of time to get set up, and there's just no reason to do that, right? Now, what is the solution I am referring to? The solution is a platform called Premium Inboxes. Now, Premium Inboxes, they are a Google account or Google and Outlook account seller where they sell accounts for cheap, right? Now, these accounts cost roughly $2.80 per account. If you do decide to go on the platform and use code LEADAcademy20, you're gonna get discounted from the initial $3 per account. It goes down to $2.80. Which how their actual pricing works is, I believe it's 1 to 250 accounts. It's $3.50 per account, and then anywhere between or anything above 250 accounts purchased, it goes down to $3. So the more accounts you buy, the less price it goes, right? But again, you can use that code if you'd like. Now, these accounts are 100% optimized for cold email outreach using Google or Outlook accounts directly from both the admin workspaces. If you were to get everything set up for yourself, excuse me, it hurts your accounts in the long term, right? Those accounts are not optimized for cold email. You buy those accounts to get them set up for your company. And if Google and Outlook see you're sending out quite literally hundreds of cold emails, right, maybe per day or whatever, per account, or 25, 50, whatever, they will flag your accounts. They will say, okay, this person is cold emailing, right? Especially not even including if you're not taking the other deliverability precautions, right? You will, in fact, hurt your reputation and your accounts will get tagged as spam. Now, you avoid this by, again, using Premium Inboxes. Premium Inboxes creates these cold email accounts, or these accounts specifically for cold email, right? And again, due to the fact they also are a Google and Outlook partner, they buy these accounts at bulk, letting their customers get it for cheaper, right? So instead of spending 720, they buy everything at bulk. And then again, their customers get to benefit off of that by getting it at a cheaper, more cost-effective rate. All right. Now, Some of the benefits of using premium inboxes. Number one is the most important one. It's optimized for cold email agencies and B2B companies trying out cold email or just running cold email. You can create separate workspaces through premium inboxes. There's, you actually increase your profit margins if you are an agency because accounts don't cost as much. And overall, it's just a good time. Everything's organized in a platform. I'm going to show you how it looks in about like a minute, but it's very optimized for agency owners. And also, if you are a company trying out cold email, it's extremely optimized because you just go on the platform. It's super clean, super organized. You just order accounts for cheap and they get installed into your sending platform. Really, really, really seamless process, right? Average delivery time is literally 4 hours. So say goodbye to spending days creating accounts. It's done within 4 hours on average. And then everything is done for you. All you do is buy domains, attach it to the platform, and everything is done for you. Okay. And then last part is the accounts get pre-connected to your Smart Lead or Instantly account, whatever you're using. You just place the order, check back in 4 to 6 hours. Boom, your accounts are there, ready to be attached to warm up or to send for the cold email outreach. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you I'm going to show you me demoing this product, and I'm going to show you how to actually order accounts yourself. All right, so let's open it. Now, this is the platform, super cool. And what you'll do is you'll go over to the sign in page. You'll make an account, sign in, super simple. Okay. Now, when you're on the platform, I'll show you kind of how it looks. You have a dashboard, total inboxes, active inboxes, number of issues, how much you're paying, all that kind of stuff. Your past orders. This is a new account, so there's no orders here. Email accounts, right? The email accounts you have, subscriptions you have, invoices, tax purposes, whatever. Tickets, if you have any issues, you can just go here, create a ticket. Okay, right here, open a ticket. Tags, right? So if you want to tag your accounts by client or whatever, you could do that. Billing, whatever your card is, and then workspaces. This is really cool. If you want and you have more than one client, you just go here and create workspaces, and you can call it like, whatever, like client name, 100 inboxes, whatever. And basically you can create an account or create a workspace, and every single time you have a client, whether they're onboarded or whatever, you can just go here and just see what accounts they have. You can cancel them, reactivate them, whatever you want to do. It's just super clean and super simple to have. All right. Now, what you'll do, or what I'll do, is I'm going to go ahead and purchase 100 email accounts for an existing client because I just want to show you how it works. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to purchase Google accounts, and then I'll go here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the domain forwarding link. This is their domain forwarding link. So I'm going to get it here. Put it there. Domain hosting platform. I use Porkbun, just my preference, just works well. Yes, you want to disable 2FA. I'll put this in after, so you guys obviously don't see, but yeah, it's going to be, you put your password, your login and password, and then domains. Now, how I create domains is very simple. I literally just go to ChatGPT and I say, here is a domain, make me 50 domains with all different prefixes similar to the company and what they do. Just give me the list of 50 straight. Right? What I'll do is I'll just prompt it quickly, and it'll just give me the list of 50 domains. Boom. Right? And you can literally just go ahead and copy and paste. It's super simple. Now I already have a done list here, which I'm just going to use. But you pretty much just take all these domains and then you go to the platform and just paste it in here. Super simple. Okay. Now, once that's done, you're going to go to the next step, which is the sending platform. Now, this is whatever you use. We have one built for our clients, specifically. So, I'm just not going to put it here for the sake of the example. I'm just going to upload them to Smart Lead. And then you put in your login and password. Super simple. Now, number of inboxes. Now, I typically do 100 inboxes. Again, it depends on the client, what we're optimizing for, but typically 100 inboxes, attach 2 email accounts per domain. Email persona. This person's name is Art Lund. I just know that. And then the persona. So typically what I do is I just do like the first name and then first dot last. And basically I'll show you later, but it'll just pop up as this. So it'll be like John.Smith. Super, super simple, right? So it'll be like John.Smith at domain or John at domain. Okay. The password for the email accounts you're going to create. I typically just go to a random password generator, and I just go here and I just click on a copy password. I literally just made a random one, and then I just put it here. Email persona. This is the profile picture. I don't add one, so it's optional. I just don't. And then centralized master inbox. If you want all of your replies from the email accounts to forward to one master inbox, you could do that. I don't do that because, our platform and also Smarter Instantly, they have like a unified master inbox. So all the replies go there. So this is personal preference. I'm just going to not do that. And then any other additional assets, right? So you could say like, can you please, make this a rush order, whatever you want to do. You can just have that specific request there. And then again, you can go ahead and use the coupon Lead Academy 20, making it 20% off. And then you go ahead and purchase accounts. I'm going to go ahead and put in all the information here, and I'm going to go purchase the accounts, and then I'll just come back when they're done because they'll be done in roughly like 4 to 6 hours. So I'll be right back. All right, so there you go. The accounts are fully done and added to our Smart Lead account. 100 inboxes, all attached to the domains I purchased. Really cool. Like literally, I did nothing. All the DNS is structured perfectly. SPF records, DMARC records, DKIM records. I just filled the form, and now they're done, right? And again, for more than half the price of Google and Outlook. So super cool, super clean stuff, right? Now, if you either, whether you're a cold email agency owner struggling with low margins from email accounts, no account organization, slow setup times, can't get clients launched on time because of email accounts, all that kind of stuff. Excuse me, or a B2B company who just wants a clean and hands-off experience with setting up inboxes, because that is a major and crucial part of cold email, then I would just give Premium Inboxes a try. I would give them a try. It's honestly a very good platform. I know the owner personally, and overall they're building a really good product, right? So again, get 20% off your first time using Cold Lead Academy. Link in the description will be as well for the link and all that kind of stuff. So if you guys did enjoy this video and you guys found it valuable, then please do leave a like and subscribe. And if you guys are looking to build out a system for yourself that is able to find clients who need your service immediately, then go ahead and watch this video. That'll show you the entire cold email process we use to generate leads for our business. All right. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a good rest of your day. Bye.